One evening, as Luna was exploring her grandmother's attic, she found a beautiful pendant shaped like a star. When she held it up to the sky, the pendant began to glow, and Luna was lifted into the night sky. Luna soon found herself among the stars, where she met the star guardians, bright, glowing beings who protect the constellations. But something was wrong. A constellation had lost its light. "We need your help, Luna," said the leader of the star guardians. "Only you can restore the light to the stars." With the starlight pendant glowing brightly around her neck, Luna set off on her journey across the cosmos. She flew past planets, through asteroid fields, and between glowing nebulae, all while following a trail of stardust that would lead her to the lost light. As Luna approached the darkened constellation, she encountered a powerful black hole that was pulling the light away. With the help of the star guardians, Luna used the power of the Starlight Pendant to push back the black hole and rescue the light. With the light safely in her hands, Luna carefully placed it back into the constellation. The stars shone brighter than ever, filling the night sky with their brilliance. The star guardians cheered as the constellation was restored, and Luna felt a deep sense of accomplishment. After her incredible journey, Luna returned home, landing softly in her grandmother's attic. She looked up at the night sky, now filled with bright stars, and smiled. Luna knew she would always remember this adventure and that the stars would always be there to guide her.